Central Mexico rocked by a devastating 7.1 magnitude earthquake. Buildings crumbled, sending frightened people pouring out into the streets. More than 100 people are dead, and the death toll is expected to climb higher.
Officials are still combing through the wreckage, but we know some southern Arizona residents were in Mexico City when it hit.
News 4 Tucson's Nick Van Zandt spoke with some survivors, and he has more right now.
The woman we talked to was at school when the 7.1 magnitude earthquake hit. She's okay, but she's also worried about what's next. Right after she felt the first tremors, Alejandra Silva ran outside into the street.
It's chaos. Traffic was jammed. People were running around. Police were shouting, like chaos for real.
Scared, Silva ran back to her apartment. The ceiling was cracked in several places, but Silva says she felt lucky.
I mean, there's classrooms that are all glass, and they all, like, literally, they were destroyed. Like, glass is everywhere.
While numbers keep rising, Mexican officials say more than 140 people have been killed. This is the second earthquake to hit Mexico City this month, and Silva says she's worried about what's next. Explosions have been seen, search and rescue efforts are underway, and many areas are without power.
Yeah, I guess the worst is still to come. I mean, people are trying to find their families. I guess people are trapped in buildings.
Now, not only is this earthquake the second one to impact Mexico City this month, 32 years ago to the day, there was an 8.1 magnitude quake that killed more than 5,000 people. For News 4 Tucson, I'm Nick Van Zandt.